Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80244007 on Windows 11 or 10 so you can download without any issue.
Fix 1. Run Troubleshooter Step 1. Open Settings. System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Step 2. Run Windows Update and Windows Store Apps Troubleshooters. Step 3. Apply the suggested fixes and restart your PC. Fix 2. Clear store cache. Step 1. Press Windows R to open Run. Step 2. Type use-reset.exe and press Enter. Step 3. Wait for the store to reset and reopen automatically. Fix 3. Clean temporary files. Step 1. Press Windows R, type cleandir, and press Enter. Step 2. Select your system drive, C, and check temporary files and Windows Update Cleanup. Step 3. Click OK to